Hello and welcome. My name is David Bala. I'm a teaching assistant with Resa Gracia. We'll be looking at filtering in Google Sheets in this video. We would explore under the following learning objectives: how to apply basic filters to data in Google Sheets, and then tips for effectively managing large datasets using filters. What is filtering? It is a process to display only the rows in a dataset that meet specific criteria while hiding others. Now, how do we apply a basic filter? First of all, select the datasets in your sheet, highlight the rows and columns you want to filter. Secondly, add the filter. And you can do this by going to the toolbar and clicking on the filter icon. It is a funnel-shaped symbol. We are going to see it in the sheets later. And then next, you set the criteria, for example, greater than 50, or in text form that contains Apple. And finally, view your results by clicking OK. That is it. It's fun time. Now we're going to go into the sheets and get our hands dirty, shall we? Now that we are here, the first thing to do is to select your data set, like we've said. You click on it, Control A. You go to Data, create a filter. Can you see the funnel-shaped symbol? You click on it. Now you can see that filters have been applied. Now, another way to do that is simply by clicking just one of the columns and then going to Data, create a filter. You can see that it has applied it all across. All right, now that we have applied our filter, the next thing is to do the actual filtering. Now, when you look at each of this, you could click on any of the funnel shape. Now, this is what you got. Under the filtering conditions, we have three basic ways you can filter. One is by color. Next, by condition. Another is by values, which is highlighted here by default. The values means what the values are in there. All right, now you can see that we have east, north, south, and west. For instance, I want to see only the information from the data set that's from the east. All right, what I'll simply do is to clear all and select east. Okay. Now this is it. This applies to all the other results in the table, being a relational database. So you can see that these are the results from the east alone. All right. I want to remove this. I'll simply select all and OK. That reverses it. All right. Next, I want to filter by a condition. Let's come here. Filter by condition. All right. Click here. Now go to text. All right. It could either contain text, contains something. Text does not contain. Text starts with. Now let's try this. Text starts with, let's say, E. Can you see that? Electronics. And then I apply. Can you see that? So we can do that. All right. Okay, so text contains E. Now E is here also. All right. So I could also just reverse that and look at the next filtering option, which is by color. So I come here by color. Can you see that? Do I want the white or the yellows? Let's pick the yellow. Yellow. Can you see? It highlights only those that are in yellow. All right. So finally, a note for you to do. Now, kindly observe that the funnel shape symbol will change after applying your filter. You could see here that you have a full funnel shaped symbol here, while these ones look sketchy. So that tells you that a filter has been applied on this particular column. You could see that there's a difference there. All right. So let me apply here and see. I want smartphone. Okay, can you see that? So you can see that there's a funnel shaped symbol here and there's a funnel shaped symbol here. All right, that will be it for this video. Thank you so much for watching.